Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can convert PDF to Word. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Word. So let me open Word from here. You simply need to open Word application. Wait for a few seconds and then you need to click on blank document and click on file. From here, you simply need to click on open and click on browse and find the file. So I'm going to open this file for example, and here you need to click on OK. It means that your PDF is converted into Word. So wait for a few seconds until it is converted. So once it is converted, here you can see you simply need to click on file, save as, browse and find the location where you want to save. So I want to save it onto the desktop. Here you can see, click on save again. So now you can see that this is the Word file. So this is the process how you can convert PDF to Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.